still belong. Don't get me wrong, you can speak your mind, but not on my time. I don't care what you say anymore, this is my life. Go ahead with your own life, leave me alone. Keep it to yourself, it's my life. Keep it to yourself, it's my life. Keep it to yourself, it's my life.
We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. Oh, we're not gonna take it anymore. We've got the right to choose it. There ain't no way we'll lose it. This is our life. This is our song. We'll fight the powers that be just. Don't pick contest and because you don't know us, you don't belong. Oh, we're not gonna take it. We ain't gonna take it. Oh, we're not gonna take it anymore. Oh, you're so condescending. Your goal is never ending. We don't want nothing from you. Your life is trade-jaded, boring and confiscated. If that's your best won't do. We're right, we're free, we'll fight, you'll see. We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. No way.
Isa, alalay sa likod, baka may biglang matulas na ng isip. Nakita. Dahil sa ano po. Hindi ko dito kahapon. Nagulat sa puso ka. Yung sa may packet nito, ano? Yung iisip ko yung mga packet sa packet. Wala na lang tayo. Huwag mo masyado madikit. Ito, okay lang kung hindi sinusundan ito eh. Nakapundipit na ganito. Nag-record ka? Sige. Bakit? Sarap pa. Kaya naman to. Ito yung naman pala banda dito.
Baby, do you know that's what? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth.
Grabe, makatanggal ko. Kami kang panas yung ito. Umangat nga ako.